So hi and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of my Thinkific platform, which is where I sell my social video club. So here we're inside the back end of the Thinkific course platform, and I want to talk to you today about the mobile app. Now most of us think that we have to pay up to $199 a month for a personalised mobile app. Well, we don't actually have to do that in Thinkific. What the Thinkific site does is it actually offers you the opportunity to have a unbranded mobile app for your users. So we go through the Thinkific mobile app to do this. So there's a few things you need to make sure you are doing. Number one, your account needs to be on the start plan. So monthly it is £84 a month, or yearly it's £63 a month. They bill you yearly if you go for the yearly one. I'm just doing it monthly because I've only just started my social video club, but I want to make sure that I can give my members the mobile experience as well. So all you need to do to activate it is come over to where it says channels up here on the left and go to the mobile app option. So scroll down to the bottom of the area where it's trying to sell you the branded one and go down to the bottom where it says not ready for our branded solution yet, activate now. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, and it's going to say what happens. So you'll be able to access easy to use templates to promote the app to your audience. So we'll go ahead and click activate app. So once you've activated the app, all you have to do is go to the App Store or the Google Play Store to activate it. So as you can see, we just go to the App Store on my mobile phone. I'm actually using the iPhone, and type in Thinkific. Go ahead and click that. And if you haven't already got it on your phone, go ahead and download. Otherwise, I've got it already, so just go ahead and click open. And it's going to bring up the option to add your school. Okay, so now you've downloaded the Thinkific app and you need to find your school. So all you need to do is type in your school's name. I'm just going to go for my main name, which is Anita Wong, because that's my school, and click continue. If at any point it's got your name in there, you see my URL is learn.anitawong, but my courses are called Anita Wong courses. So there's my app. Go ahead and click it. It will ask you to sign in, so I'll go ahead and sign in. Once you've signed in, it will send you a verification code to your email, and that's the normal process that Thinkific does. So just add in that code that you get sent. That just secures your account. Click verify. And now we're back in the app. And as you can see, you've got your content to be viewed. Down the bottom, you've got learning, so you can see how the courses are. I've also got a community in here, so I've got my communities, so we can actually, anyone can post in the communities, and of course you can turn on your notifications. So I'm going to go ahead and turn those on just in case somebody wants to message me. So what's great about the mobile app is that Thinkific have already given you some email templates that you can just pass on to your members so that they can find the app really easily. So first of all, you can go to this email one here, and it will give you the links directly to the App Store or the Google Play Store for them to go ahead and download it. The second one is use this outline to promote the app in a course. So you can click that and you can just read through here and look at how you can actually promote it inside of your course. And again, you can copy this as well. And of course you can do a community post, so you can copy and paste this into the community, and that will let your members know where to go for the app. So I hope you found this video useful on how to turn on the app inside of your Thinkific course platform. It's a great way to make your content accessible for all. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop them below this video. Please do like, share, and of course subscribe to my channel, because there'll be more Thinkific how-to videos coming along very soon. Thanks very much. My name's Anita Wong, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.